Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a font italic in Adobe Illustrator. Open your Illustrator file. Now click on this type tool and click on text and press Ctrl and select whole paragraph. Now select Windows option and active Control option. Control. Now select your font style. You have to choose Arial option. Already selected Arial. Now click on here. Now you will find this italic option. Simply select here italic and see this. This text already make italic. Also I will make this text italic and select here italic and see this. In this way you can change the text italic. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.